In the early days, the only way to pick up a new iPhone was getting the iPhone. Today, with the release of iPhone 12, you have 4 new options in addition to the 3 previous options. That's a total of 7 new iPhones fresh off the assembly line. That brings us to the question, what is the best way to pay for them and how can you get that price cheaper? So let's start off with the 2 payment options. The most obvious being just pay off your new phone. If you have the money and you pay in full, just get it out of the way. And if paying in full is not an option for you, you can always lease your phone by making interest-free monthly payments over the course of 2 years. You can do this either through Apple or through your phone carrier. Now that you have an idea of a payment method, it's time to find the right device that best fits your budget. With the release of the iPhone 12, 4 new iPhones have been added to the current iPhone product line. Your current choices are the iPhone SE 2nd Gen, the iPhone XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max. And all of these iPhones are fantastic options. And you really can't go wrong with any of them. Just find the one that best fits your needs and budget. And now I'm not going to go into depth into each phone, its features and differences, and which ones you should get. Instead, there's a link in the description to a post on appleguideweb.com where I curated a playlist of other YouTube creators' reviews on these iPhones. And maybe that will help you make your final decision. But if you're looking to get a little bit subtracted from the price of your new phone, try trading in your old one. Currently, you can trade in anything from an iPhone SE 1st Gen and you'll get $30 from that, all the way up to $500 for an iPhone 11 Pro Max. Just remember, these prices are only estimates. The real value will be based on the quality of your phone. That is your phone in good condition? Is the screen broken? Are there any side scuffs? But nonetheless, it's a great option if you have no other use for your old phone. If you have the money and you always want the newest iPhone, consider the iPhone upgrade program from Apple. Essentially, you will lease your phone for 12 months. After those 12 months, you have the option to trade in your current phone and pick up a new one, and 12 months later, you repeat that same cycle. And if you choose not to upgrade your phone after 12 months, you just continue to make the monthly payments for 24 months. And then after that, your iPhone is yours. But unlike just leasing the phone, Apple Care is included in that monthly price, giving you discounted repairs. For instance, to replace a broken screen on a new iPhone 12, you're looking at spending $279. With Apple Care, that price is cut down to only $29. It's just something to consider, especially if you're someone who doesn't use a phone case. Many other carriers have some variant of the same program. But if you go through the iPhone upgrade program, you won't be forced to stick with that current carrier until your phone is paid off. You can move around to whichever phone provider you choose down the line. The best time to subscribe to the iPhone upgrade program is around the first week in November. By this point, new iPhones have been announced in mid-September and usually shipping by the end of the month. And reviews and first impressions should be out to help give you a little bit of an idea of which new phone to pick out. And you definitely don't want to start this program any later than June. By then, new iPhones are around the corner and your only option is to continue paying for 4 extra months until the new ones come around, unless you decide to, at that point, kind of upgrade to an older device. But buying a whole new phone every year is not cheap. But through the iPhone upgrade program, since you only have to pay for at least half the phone, it may make it a little more doable. But nonetheless, you're still looking at paying around $200 to $600 a year on your new phone. But only go with this program if you know you plan on upgrading yearly. If you want even more discounts, look through Apple's catalog of refurbished iPhone. Each iPhone is discounted up to 15% off its original retail price. But before checking out, double check the pricing. Even though the phones are discounted, the pricing may be on par with just getting a new iPhone. In terms of the quality of getting a used device from Apple, parts like the battery are replaced when needed with genuine Apple parts and it's thoroughly clean. And it will be running the latest version of iOS and it's repackaged into a brand new box with accessories. Essentially, it's like buying a brand new phone. When shopping for an iPhone, you no longer have just one choice. There's so many out there, and no matter which one you choose, you really can't go wrong. There are different payment options, multiple tiers to choose from, and multiple places to buy your new phone. Whatever your budget, there's an upgrade path for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you're leaving with more questions and answers, leave those in the comments below. Also, check out the links in the description for more on this topic, including links to our website, appleguideweb.com. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe, and keep up to date with the latest happenings by following @AppleGuideWeb on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. And find our Apple Guide podcast anywhere you listen to podcasts. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.